Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a membership website on WordPress using the members plugin. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so first in your WordPress dashboard, what you want to do is go here into plugins and we'll install the membership plugin. Okay, so it's just called members. Okay, so this one over here, so the one with 300,000 downloads, so we'll install that. Okay, and then I'll activate the plugin. Okay, great, so now the plugin is activated. We see over here, there's a tab for members. Okay, so first we want to have some roles. Okay, so let's go here into roles. Okay, so these are the available roles right now. So let's add a new role. So we'll just do like a premium membership. So we'll add a new role and we'll say premium member. Okay, so you can make it such that so over here is where you edit their capabilities. Okay, so we have, say, posts. So making their own posts is something that they should have the ability to do. Okay, so just their own posts. And they can delete and publish posts, so they can't edit other people's posts. Okay, and then they can read posts on the network. Okay, and then delete their published posts. And then edit their published posts. Okay, and then looking at pages, so if you want them to make the ability to add new pages, but in this case, I'll just make it just like a forum-based website. Okay, so media, so they can upload files. Okay, so over here in media, you can choose whether or not you want them to upload files. Okay, so I'll just limit this to a text-based forum for now. Okay, and patterns, templates. So these are just for the fonts. So you can skip through these. And then users, so you don't really want members to create new roles other than the admin. So we'll skip that. And then custom, so you can create different content restrictions. So you can say restrict content for certain pages. And then this is just all over here. Okay, so I think just having the ability to edit their own posts is a good starting point. And then you can always come back here and edit the authorization of each role. Okay, so I'll do add role. Okay, so now I'll make a new page and then block it so that it's only available for premium members. So go here into add page. So I will say premium, exit this premium member S. So we can say you can only view this if you are a premium member. Okay, and then the important part is down here at the bottom. So we can see limit access to the content to users of selected roles. So we can just enable premium members. Okay, and then you can also add paid memberships, but you'll have to subscribe to the MemberPress plugin. So we'll just keep it as a free subscription first. Okay, and then any error messages here. So we can say you need to be a premium member to access this content. Okay, and then again, permissions. Okay, so I think this is good for us to test. So we'll do publish. Okay, so I'll view the page. So it says over here, you can only view this if you are a premium member. Okay, so let me go back and edit that page. Okay, I'll just change this to you are a premium member, just so it's easier to distinct the two. Okay, and we'll save this. I'll save and then go back to the page here. Okay, awesome. So it's saying you are a premium member. That's because I'm an admin here. Okay, so I'm just going to log out and then I'll test out and see if this works. So log out. Okay, and then go back to the homepage here and then premium member test. And awesome, so this works. So it says you need to be a premium member to access this content. So that membership kind of paywall functionality is working. Okay, so next I'll work on setting up the registrations. Okay, so I'll just re-log in here. Okay, so go here into dashboard and then settings. So general, so again, we have the membership here, so anyone can register. And by default, let's change this to premium. And by default, let's change this to premium member. So anyone that registers will become a premium member. Okay, and we'll save this. Okay, great. So now we can go here into Okay, so go here into pages. Okay, and I'll just put it into one link. So do add page. This will be login register. Okay, and then this slug here, we'll just make it to WP admin. So that's just a login link. Okay, so we'll publish that. Okay, and view the page. Okay, awesome. So it's up here. So I'll log out. So it should come up like this. So let's try that. Okay, homepage, login register. So awesome. We have our login page here. So you can go here now into register. Okay, so I'll just make a demo account. So we'll say premium member. Okay, so we'll just do hello. Okay, great. So just go to your login here. So I'll just check my email. So this is a staging environment, so there's no email server attached. So we can see over here in the backend, just the users here. So we have hello at Maplet Media registered, and then we check over here, it's a premium member. So I can just edit it here and just set up the password directly here. Okay, so I just set the new password. Okay, so I just copy this and then update. Okay, so I'll just exit again. Okay, so I'll try to log in. So premium member. Okay, and then the password. Okay, so you're logged in here, and then let's see the front end now. See that we're a premium member. Awesome. So it says here you're a premium member. Okay, great. So we have both capabilities of protecting content based on your membership role. Okay, so let's say we have a secret member, and they're the only ones that can view that content. So you can go here into roles. Nope, let me just go back to my admin account. So log out here. Okay, so we'll go here into members and roles, add new role. This will be secret member. Okay, and again, you can edit any of these permissions. So we're just protecting content, so we're not doing any custom posts, but we'll just enable these ones here as we did before. Okay, so I'll add the role here. Okay, and then now what we can do is on a page here, so we'll allow both premium members and secret members to view that content. So they'll go here into add page. Okay, and then just exit out this, and then we'll do secret member and premium member test. Okay, and then down here, we'll select both premium and secret member. Okay, and then I'll write in some content here. Okay, so I'll write only premium and secret members can read this. Okay, and then underneath I'll create a secret one. So we'll do short code, and then I'll copy the short code from their doc. So it's this one here. So it's member access role. So we'll just change this to secret member. Okay, and then I'll write in all caps, only secret members know the secret. So I'll publish this. Okay, so I'll view the page. Okay, so only premium and secret members can read this. So I'm an admin, so that's why it's showing. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new account as a secret member and see if our member access shortcode is working here. So I'll just log out. Okay, so admin log out, and then I'll just register again. So I'll do secret member. So email hello2.com and register. Okay, and then I'll just reapprove that membership. Okay, so in our case, it's a premium member, so we'll have to go in here and change it manually into secret member here. So we can change the user role down here to make this a secret member and update user. So I'll copy this, and then I'll log out and log in as a secret member. Oops, just remember to save. Okay, so log out, and the password is a secret member, and log in. Okay, and then go here to visit site, and then go to premium member tests. So again, this can be viewed by, we check over here, it says you need to be a premium member to access this content. And then if we go to secret member and premium member test, awesome, so it works. So it says, so only premium members and secret members can read this. And then here's our secret message. Only secret members knows the secret. So this is working. So we have our different role setups. So say if you have different tier members that can view different content. So you can set this all up within this free members plugin. So this includes the end of the video. I hope you're able to follow along and set up your own membership website. If you need any help with any WordPress or web development projects, then you can contact me at maplitmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.